Good morning, day 50 here. The snow is coming down this morning. It's supposed to keep up like this for, I think, like 3 or 4 days. It is supposed to get pretty warm in town, +7. So hopefully the freezing levels don't go too high, but we're gonna go up today and enjoy the nice pow. Let's go. Yes, in Revelstoke, we plow all the snow into the oncoming lane. If you guys are looking for a good breakfast on your way out sledding, definitely pick up a breakfast sandwich from the Big Eddy. Let the rowdiness begin. I say it's gonna be rowdy through here because under the fresh snow, it's a super hard ice crust. Holy shit. Whew. Yeah, that is slick under there. Oh my god. Whew. We're gonna get 8 people up this trail. Lunchtime already? Haven't even got into the riding zone yet.
It's dessert. It's a pre-snack.
Brunch. Let's see what you got. You got everything.
A little bit of everything.
We're good, just waiting on.
Holy crap, it is nuking out here. It's actually going to be pretty damn deep once we get up here. Okay, I definitely made the sled work for it there. Let's get some downies though. Oh, it is deep, yeah! Woo-hoo! Finally some powder again, oh yeah! Forgot what it was like. I was hoping the guys would see me and then come do some downies here. We've got the POW. Oh, all the POW. Gonna come down this hill, but everyone else tracked it up. It is nuking out here, man. Oh, it's fucking up my helmet. Everybody's so stoked. Uh-oh. Something happened. Cut all those little pieces off. Look at that one. That one's really bad. I don't know why they wouldn't come with extrovert drivers. It's not like my track is loose. Just gonna cut these pieces off so then hopefully the track rides on the drive better and it doesn't skip as often. If you copy, I need some help. I'm gonna need a belt drive. Well, I guess when my track ratcheted, what I was thinking was the vibration on the track was actually the vibration of the belt drive falling apart right here. Just about. New belt is on. Well, that was a pain in the butt, but at least Jody had a belt. I traded him some spark plugs. Seems like a good trade to me. Great visibility. Oh no! Don't drop down on top of me. Oh. Hey, look at that slab. Those condos were selling for like $400. Max debt, low fuel pressure. Well, we're just working our way out of the mountains here now. Even though I didn't really ride that much today, it was still a good day. It was nice to enjoy the POW that we've been missing for quite some time now. So yeah, had some fun. A couple of minor issues, which, you know, those are bound to happen. And yeah, pretty successful day.